YouTube, it's your boy Bossni, and I'm back with another video, man. Today we got another funny video. Short but funny. Another funniest TikToks of August 2023. Can you believe August about to be over with already? I think it's going to be 2024 already. But you know, I got to say something, bro. Florida, bro, I'm getting real tired of you, bro. I'm getting real pissed. Hurricanes never come at a good time, bro. You mean to tell me I'm about to pay rent and a hurricane finna come? Same day? Oh my gosh, bro. Like, it's like I'm not even sure if my house going to withstand the month. And I still gotta pay for it, bro. Fuck these niggas, bro. I just had to get it off my chest, bro, because storm or no storm, these niggas need their money, bro. Anyway, I'm gonna get straight to it, bro. Comment the first clip that makes you laugh. Okay. Well, we'll do it for this video too. Comment the first video that makes you laugh. I'll say the video that. Well, you'll see me laugh. So yeah. That's a good little thing. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what makes you laugh the most in this whole video. Oh, that's not a good sign, bro. Cat's on the first clip, off the hip. Winston just wanted to take a nap in his new bed. You okay?
Hey! Okay?
This is damage to the front end of your car, which hit his car in the rear.
I'd be so mad.
I don't know. Like something that was like sentimental and no, listen to me, I'm trying to think.
How the fuck he seen her look at her, but he didn't even look?
I don't know. Like something that was like sentimental.
It's like he knew.
I'm looking too, baby. I'm trying to think.
Vai!
Você é muito burro porque você não deu boa a ele!
Eu tentei!
Yo, Tete!
4, 3, 2, 1.
POV taking your sister to the fun fair takes a turn for the worse.
Ooh. Save her! POV 6-year-old Jew at McDonald's place trying to get your mom's attention.
Mommy! Don't be filming me, brother. You got your rapist, homo thug, black balls over there.
What the hell are you talking about?
What is he talking about, bruh?
More chips today, Ted? Ted!
Vertical band to the tang. Boom tang tang toon tang to the loogie. For it to but to bang bang on a doogie. Whipple a bit on a tang tang.
I refuse to believe he don't know that. There's no way you don't know someone's in the car with you. Especially for 8 hours, you can't tell.
On a doogie.
Come on, man, I know. Keep thing on me. Stop playing with me, huh? Stop playing.
Hold on, bro. Look at this. Who the fuck took this cartoony ass bite out this donut, bro? They done made the sound effect, bro.
Hey! Okay, that...
You such a stinking mouth!
That was actually funny.
Leave off. See, you know what? We'll start right here.
This nigga, bro, where has this nigga been, bro? Back when I used to be on TikTok, bro, I used to love watching this nigga. He used to watch, he used to do 2K videos. That nigga is hilarious. We gotta do a comment just on this nigga. What's his name? What was bro name?
Dude. Yeah, ban him.
Family Guy. Oh, American Dad. Family Guy and American Dad got the same backgrounds, yo. Is this who he's supposed to look like or something? Hey, you tell your friend not to look.
Look, but that girl been staring at you all day. Hey, what's up, my boy? How you been? You hear that new dress?
I got the new ice cube right here. It's freaking. It's such a good
See, See, bro, and that's why you just can't trust a nigga that got a dog sometimes. Nigga, families that have dogs, bro, you gotta be real weary when you eat from their crib, bro, because if you seen I have dogs. Well, in my mother's home, there's dogs that I used to have, and if anybody knows, when you give a dog ice, all of that shit comes out his mouth. So, and that dog was hovering over all the fresh ice. So now all the germs from the nigga mouth is in the ice, bro. Whether you wanted to disagree or agree, nigga, that's so. I told my dad this was live footage of the concert.
It's been a while, y'all. But I'm back. New year, new me.
Hi there, welcome to Park Place McDonald's. We'll be with you shortly to take your...
Oh, yes, sorry, of course. Sorry.
What are you doing, buddy? No. Go back over there. Go back over there.
You think he give a fuck?
You need to take it off your profile now.
If not, I'll be contacting the law.
Actually, take it off now.
Take what off? Oh.
We'll contact the law.
You think you gonna tell her what to do?
Oh, Carlos declined. Embarrassing. Carlos.
Bro, Kahoot is a fun ass game, bro. I ain't gonna lie. When it's like when you competitive, that shit fun as fuck.
Oh, Carlos declined. Embarrassing. Carlos.
You the only nigga that got that bit wrong?
Hurry up.
Hey, rip me at the 10-4. I'm acting stupid.
Aw, can I see your baby? Oh, she's so cute. Aw. I can't breathe.
That's not funny, bro. That ain't funny. You going to hell, nigga. What the fuck wrong with that dog? Oh. I don't know what I just saw.
People who were born in 2000 are now 40.
No, they're not stupid.
Let that sink in. What do you mean? My fault, man. I didn't mean to leave you at the door like that. Come on.
Bitch.
Biggle, no. Biggle.
Damn.
That's an knee slapper.
Bruh.
Oh my god, they got the
I miss those days. I miss those days where like you could just chill with your bro and that shit was just fun. Like y'all niggas cracking jokes and shit. We are simple creatures.
Yo, let's cut some bread with something sharp. Oh, that's nice. Bread. That's nice. Bread.
Snapchat, say what's up to my boyfriend.
I have no clue what the heck. What's up, blankety bleep is going on here?
Get the fuck off my porch!
$100 on Roblox? I just said no too.
Don't really care.
You don't care about Minnesota?
I don't care about your question.
Talk your shit.
Go.
You don't care about...
Go. I knew it. Go. I knew it. You could just tell, bro.
You look like a squishmallow? What is a squishmallow? Squish?
I wouldn't even type that in. That sounds some freaky ass shit.
Yeah, you're banned, buddy. You're...
Uno. I only have one card.
Ice my chocolate mocha for Karen? Actually, I asked for no whipped cream. Oh, I'm so sorry. There you are. I actually asked for that hot. Oh my god, you're right. Girl.
Pablo.
I'm not slow, but I'm slow.
Nigga, what?
What's that? What is she doing?
Okay, bimbo via Google is an attractive but unintelligent or frivolous young woman.
Man, what the fuck wrong with her? Boy, them summer nights, nigga. Them summer nights where you on Call of Duty waxing niggas. You come downstairs for that 3 a.m., 4 a.m. snack. Oh, you can't. All them, anything you get is fire, bro. Like, me personally, bro, we ain't really used to have shit like that. Well, we had shit, but I was just a weird nigga, bro. My mom used to always keep some bagels in the freezer. I used to knock 2 bagels back, nigga. One time I had bagels with cheese on it. I had bagel, and nigga, I'm just talking bagels and cheese, bro. Just the bagel and cheese, bro. Like, shit sounds stupid, right? But that shit hit. And then you get the bagel with the cinnamon raisin bagel. You put some butter on that bitch. Gas. One time I tried a bagel with a peanut butter. I almost choked, bro. I never did that shit again.
Are you Donald Trump? Yes, I am. You know.
And I'm Hillary Clinton.
Shut up. Anyway, I want this bag of candy so huge to the rim.
Bro, it's about the result of I saw this. Like, bro, don't ever ask nobody no shit that you know the answer to before you ask them, bro. Look at the nigga smiling ear to ear. Nigga happy as hell. And they don't get mad, nigga. The fuck? Now you look even lamer. Keep your head up, soldier. There's more where that's from. There's more no's coming, bro. Just take it, bro. The fuck?
Okay, guys, so we're at 0 subscribers. So please set up a...
Smash the like button. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. This was short and sweet, but that means there's more coming. So we gonna pause. We gonna get up out of here. Yo, that's weird as fuck. What the hell? Smash the like button just for that. We just hit 60K subscribers. Want to say thank each and every one of y'all. Road to 100K. We gonna get there. Yeah, have a blessed day, man. Stay safe during the hurricane. We out there being no cap.
I know I'm wasting my time. I know if you ain't crossing the line. I know if push gonna shove when shit hit the fan, you gon' stand on the dime. I don't see much why I don't post. Every now and then I'm always gon' ghost. If I'm sick and you fake like soap, I'm hot like fire, come close my roast. I know you a bitch. I know you a op. I know you a fool.